Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering up your Zen and the peripherals, then open Zen settings to enable Bluetooth or USB HID. Pairing now. Put the mouse and keyboard into pairing mode, select each device on Zen, and accept the PIN when prompted. If Bluetooth fails, switch to USB wired mode by plugging the keyboard first, then the mouse. Give the system a few seconds to register devices. This immediate approach gets you past setup and into real input testing fast. Once connected, open input preferences to tune how the keyboard and mouse behave. You want comfort and accuracy. Change key repeat rate and delay to match your typing cadence, then remap modifier or multimedia keys to functions you use most. For the mouse, set pointer speed, disable excessive acceleration if you need precision, and adjust scroll lines per tick. Make small changes and test them immediately so you understand why each setting improves your workflow. To finish, create profiles for different apps or tasks and bind shortcuts to speed repetitive work. Save those profiles so you can quickly switch. Export a backup of mappings to restore after updates. If something goes wrong, repair the devices and restart Zen first, then check for driver updates or wireless interference. Move other wireless devices away. If the keyboard or mouse intermittently drops, swap USB ports or replace the cable to isolate hardware versus software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.